wa mwisho kabisa John. Dako na speech kidogo, kwa hivyo nataka kumpatia ndio tumalizie. Karibu.
Thank you. Your Excellency Dr. Kimani Wamatangi, distinguished guests, all protocols observed. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is John Mwangi Mwai. I'm one of the trainees in this institution, pursuing grade 2 in motor vehicle mechanic. On behalf of my trainees, I'm so delighted to be here this special day. So in the spirit of Thanksgiving, I just want to take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the governor and his team for finding time to come to Riabai Vocational Training. Vocational Training Center. On behalf of my colleagues, I would like to thank our MCA and our governor and his team for the wonderful work they have done. As you can see, we have our new modern classes. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you. I tell you, it has been a very tough time, mostly for us who learn from the on-sheet classes. But time ya afternoon, si wana shida. Jua yu waka, tunawanga tukichemuka huko ndani. But because of you, the governor and their team, we really appreciate you. Also, allow me to appreciate our principal. You have always been there for us. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you. You are our preacher and our motivator. Thank you. May the Lord bless you. Also, the governor, all the presentation you have done in our classes, it's all because of our teachers. May the Lord bless you for the tiresome work you have done. In addition, also, the governor, we also want to thank you for being leaders of action and not words. Most of the leaders, unapeangwa tu maneno, watu eleze, you pitia tu na maneno, but you usually do us with action. We really appreciate you. As I conclude, I will leave you with a quote that says, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." Thank you.
Situmpige makofi mazuri. Asante. Nataka sasa nikumalizia nipatie sub county admin yuko. Ward admin akuje. Sema tujabo karibize gavana. Tukimaliza nataka nipatie brief kuja karibu.
Your Excellency, our guests of honors, the directors, we welcome you to Riabai Polytechnic and Riabai at Raj. We thank you for completing this complex. It started some years back, and we are grateful it is done. In our presence, we also have the municipal manager. I would wish him to come and welcome the governor. Thank you.
Asante, wacha nipatie municipal manager, karibu.
Good. Bwana asifiwe. Your Excellency, asante sana kwa kutembelea hapa Riabai. Na tunashukuru pia viongozi wa assembly. Asante kwa that support that we see coming from the assembly. Adewa rafai muriega. The dugata yanyu through the County Public Service Board in the Office of Municipal Manager and Governor, we thank you for giving us a municipality that is focused on service delivery. And we are thanking you because of the link that you have given us with our department. Waziri Nancy is here and our Chief Nikoroi, and they are helping us increase our services with the people as a municipality. Kwa hiyo tunasema ni asanti, and we thank God that today we are celebrating the work that has been done hapa Riabai. Your Excellency, we are hoping that with your guidance, the municipality can bring more partnership through some of the donors that you will lead us to, so that we support the work that the County Department on Education is doing. So we thank you very much for this commitment, and we pray that utukatoi odhi na bredeti guo na tukua madhani agosho ni dawira mwega, and to God be the glory.
Asante. Basi tukiwa tunaendelea, tuko na Chief Nikoloi akimaliza, waziri apatie area MCA ndio tumalizie. Chief, karibu.
Thank you, the MC, Your Excellency, the Governor Kiambu County, Dr. Kimani Wamatangi, the Deputy Speaker, the Chairman Education Committee, the CC Education, MCAs present, the staff present, all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, we are so much delighted today to have you here to grace this very auspicious occasion. And Your Excellency, we cannot even take it for granted for what you've done to this institution. The project that you see ahead of you is a project that has stalled for like 8 years, since 2015, and you found it good to complete it. We really appreciate, and we really appreciate what you are doing for our vocational training centers, which are 39 in number. And what you have seen today in the classes is what is happening in our 39 vocational training centers amid a few challenges like have been mentioned to you, which I don't have to repeat. But Your Excellency, there is only one challenge which they have not mentioned, and that is of instructors. If we can give them more instructors, then the training will be better. I can also mention that our numbers have been increasing, especially since you came into office, because you found it good to give us capitation, to subsidize the fees with 15,000 per student, 15,000 per student per year, and that has really improved the enrollment, because currently we are heading towards 6,000 and more are enrolling because of the support that we are getting from your office. Thank you very much. We appreciate, and we will really help in implementing your vision of making Kiambu great again, because part of that vision is giving skills to the young people so that they can be employed and live meaningful lives. Thank you very much. Without much ado, I wish to invite the area MCA to address this gathering. Thank you. Please. Okay, I am advised I invite Waziri. Thank you. Welcome, Waziri.
Thank you, Chief Nikoroi. Your Excellency, Dr. Kimani Wamatangi, our Deputy Speaker, Honorable Njiro, and all the MCAs here, the principal, the teachers, the students, our guests, good afternoon. As you've heard, my name is Nancy Geshongwa. I'm the CEC for Education, Gender, Social Services, and Culture. Thank you, our governor. This is a new dawn for our students, our children here. As you've heard, they've had a lot of challenges before, and with these new classes, they have really, really appreciated what you have done under your leadership, Your Excellency. I just want to tell our trainees, this is just the beginning of a long journey to go. Do not leave it here. I want to tell our trainees that what you are doing, it will have an impact in your life, and continue. And even from here, once you get your certificates, go ahead and get your degrees, because with education, you can go everywhere. And the sky is no longer even the limit. The sky, nowadays, people go up to the moon. So continue doing the good work you are doing, Your Excellency. Thank you so much. We've heard that that the trainees have increased, and it is because of your leadership, Your Excellency. And we want also to thank God that as they increase, we are seeing that they are taking education very, very seriously, and especially training in the different capacities we've had. I just want to tell our students, and especially in the beauty industry, because I'm conversant with it, the beauty industry is quite large, and you can go far. Even the other courses you are taking, you cannot go hungry when you have a course with you. So continue the good work you are doing, and thank you so much. And now I want to invite the Deputy the MCA for the area. Thank you so much.
Makofi tafadhali. Pigieni waziri makofi mazuri kwa sababu huyo ndiye waziri wetu wa elimu na mambo ya sociology. Otherwise, Your Excellency the Governor, Deputy Speaker wetu, Chairman Education, waziri, Chief wetu Nkoroi, MCAs wenzangu ambaye wamekuja kunisidikisha hapa, na pia mwalimu na timu yake, board members wa hii polytechnic, na ninaona kati yetu tuko na machiefs wetu ambaye nawaomba wasimame ili tuwatambue. Simameni chiefs. Asante sana, hao ndio tunafanya nayo kazi hapa kama viongozi. Na pia tuko na ile timu yangu ya basari. Iko wapi ile timu yangu? Ile komiti ya basari wakiongozwa na Chairman Mushafa. Okay, wapigiwe makofi pia. Naona wako hapa wote. Asanteni. Mimi yangu ni machache kwa sababu najua bwana DS ako na Chairman Education ambaye ndio wahusika wakuu wa kutupatia huu mradi, na hasa gavana mwenyewe. Na gavana mimi nimeshukuru kwa sababu kusema ukweli mimi nimekuwa na gavana wawili hapo mbeleni, na hakuna gavana ashawahi kanyanga hii ground. Hakuna gavana ashawahi kuja hapa kwa polytechnic. Ni wewe wa kwanza kukuja kuongea na wanafunzi na pia kuona vile wanafunzi wanafanya. Pigieni gavana makofi. Gavana nitukenete muno na muno ni uria wanjiriire no kihe kirathi giki riria ndokire gwaku, na nitukoretwo tugicukuma kaundu kau na chief tondu akoretwo